Hey, how are you today? Merry Christmas. Today I would like to share some of my experience and impression with the Anycubic M5S. This is really first ever 12K printer with the latest edition of Anycubic Photon Resin printers, who represent a significant leap in technology for consumers 3D printers. It has really impressive 10-inch monoscreen and 12K resolution, and due to the printing you'll be realize the quality of the best. Quality of the best designed to the really smallest details. Also, I was impressed from the leveling free system, which offers true auto leveling. And moreover, from my experience, it's unnecessary to remove resin after each use. It can stay in container for prolonged time, as 1 month, 3 months, 4 months. It's up to you. Nothing happened with printer, nothing happened with resin or container. In meantime, you will do economy with resin, your time, cleaning and so on. This is very friendly printer who contains soft for iOS and Windows users. Additionally, this printer includes smart printer status detection, which can identify printer failures such as print bottoming out on the screen and alert you accordingly. You can use it for the job, you can use it for the fun. In both ways, believe me, you will feel big pleasure to work with this kind of printer. Subscribe for my channel, follow my news, and all together we will discover more and more information with this kind of printers and makers.